Y'all do the math on that.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today, we're going to Gatorland.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, we're here in Gatorland. We're gonna walk around. I'm gonna give you a tour around Gatorland. Let's go. All right, guys, this is a real bone. A real alligator bone. Look at the structure of this bone of the alligator. It's this la comida. This the food, and we're gonna feed the alligators. Christopher, you ready to feed the alligators?
Can I smell it?
Huele como dog food, right? It smells like dog food.
It smells like how I feed my fish.
We're gonna get ready to feed the alligators. We bought a bag for $4. You ready, Christopher?
Yeah.
All right, Christopher's gonna feed the alligator. That big one over there. Throw it to the big one.
So like just
Yeah, that big one right there. You see him? Throw him. Throw it. Oh, you miss.
Oh.
Look. It's gonna get it. Ahí, mi amor.
Le voy a dar la mitad porque si no se va a poner muy gorda.
Vale.
Ahí, pues.
Wow. All right, we're gonna go see the flamingos. 25 cents. All right, feed the flamingo. Come on, Christopher. Feed it. So we bought these cones. We paid $5 for 3 cones, and we're feeding the goats here. Mu, la vaca. ¿Cómo se siente, mi amor?
Chistoso.
Ooh, some good cone, huh? Hello, buddy.
Es que come mucho.
Here you go, buddy. Oh, wow. ¿Ya es? ¿Qué es eso?
Ese, dale ese blanco.
A ver. Wow. No, not you. We already fed you. Hey. Let's go to the train station. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey, we're getting on the train.
Big, but she's gonna get really bigger. Pongo's not even done growing yet.
After the train, we went to the Gator shows.
Well, get out of here, all right? Strawberry ain't gonna do nothing, but we'll be worried about this one. All right. Land on it.
Now what?
We're gonna catch them with the teeth. That's where we're gonna start. It's in the animal kingdom. They go through about 2,000 to 3,000 teeth in their entire lifetime. The reason why they go through so many teeth is because they're slamming down on turtle shells, bones, other alligators. An alligator this size has over 1,000 pounds of crushing force per square inch of the jawline. Y'all do the math on that. Yeah, fine. I just peed a little bit. It's funny from out there. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, Ernie's right. And this goes according to plan. Watch the alligator's bottom jaw. This goes horribly wrong. Watch what happens to my bottom jaw.
These arms are back. Get your pictures while you can.
Thank you for watching my video, guys. Take care. God bless. Peace.